Yeah, he is hiding real good.
They're not cooperating.
No way. Oh, that is so funny.
Karibu karibu hapo.
Look. Alright, let me get it. There's one in a tree up there.
Oh, yeah, no, no. Oh, good.
Mm-hmm. That guy's moving. Go, buddy, go. Big. Just dexterity.
Mm-hmm.
Back we go. Good eye contact, baby. Mm-hmm.
So the small baby on the back for the viewer, and this one for the other baby. So there are three animals.
Oh, hello. Cozy.
Okay.
That's cool.
Waiting for your friends.
Yeah.
There's a mother with three babies.
except the one in Queen Elizabeth, which is salty, and it's called catway.
Where does the salt water come from?
It's in Queen Elizabeth.
Okay.
Yeah. We locally call it a salt lake.
Salt lick?
Yeah. Because they mine salt in it. No fish, only salt.
Okay, that makes
Yeah.
sense, I guess.
Salty meat?
No.
What?
And
No.
here we have 3, 2.5 humble and friendly hippos.
Oh, we did
Chi-
hear about that.
So are they just
2.5.
males?
It means there is a mother, a father, and a baby.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it in this one or
They
the
keep
one?
moving from in these 3, from the other one to this one to the next.
Oh, okay.
And it came when it was 1. It escaped from Queen Elizabeth. For the hippos,
Yeah.
when it gets pregnant, it has to isolate.
Yeah, we did learn that.
Yeah.
Because if it gives
It's a
birth
male,
to,
yeah.
it has to be killed. So
Yeah.
it had to isolate, and it came to Kibale National Park. With the help of the guide rangers, they brought it to the Crater Lakes.
That's really smart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now it's over 20 years with it here.
Yeah.
Yeah, no any case of killing.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, everybody.
Oh yeah, it
So
probably
we have
feels
to
great
keep our
here.
finger crossed that no killing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah,
And,
that's pretty
we are
good.
lucky. We no longer have any active volcanoes, but we have volcanic activities like the earthquakes, the hot springs.
Yeah,
Yeah,
evidence.
yeah, yeah. We can keep moving.
All right, you ready, guys?
Gotta go.
Are you leaving?
I can call you.
Bye.
Yeah.
Oh no. He's like, no, no. It what?
When you are coming,
Yeah.
you passed on the other one.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's the frog lake.
Frog?
Frog lake with a lot of frogs.
Big frogs, little frogs.
I've never seen them, but during the night when you're passing, you hear a lot of noise.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is the mother lake,
The mother.
and we will also see the dark lake.
Dark lake.
But when we are at the top, we will see all of them at once.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's on. You leaving?
Home?
You leaving?
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Yeah, uncle is saying that they should stop from here. They should not go very
Yeah.
far.
No, I'm like, they're so far from home.
You are staying at which lot?
Yeah.
Chimpanzee?
The chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee, yeah.
Don't leave me again. Yeah. I feel like I've seen these before.
It is easy to go down, but coming back,
It doesn't look easy to go down
Ah.
either.
it's easy for us. We are used because sometime back we used to get firewood from there down.
Oh,
We take home, and
okay.
before the other tank, we were using this water.
Oh,
We could come with 2 jerrycans. You go down, fetch, come bring one here, go back to get the next.
oh yeah.
Yeah.
But nowadays, since
And-
we have the tank, we don't need to come this side.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, upgrade.
Yeah, sure.
Your leg muscles don't feel it as much anymore.
And chimpanzee lodge is there.
Yeah, I'm like, we could definitely see the edge of this.
Yeah. Wait, where? Which?
Up
Chimpanzee?
Up at the other side.
Oh, up there.
Crossing the next leg.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Look.
Strap on my camera.
Oh, you're good. I was trying to get the kids.
I know, I just feel like they're so far from home.
I don't know. It's probably not their first time.
No, we're just so used to kids being like
Yeah,
within
so
5 feet of their parents
in
that
the-
it's so different.
Yeah, in the States,
Mhm.
that would not fly.
Mhm.
The parents would never let the kids leave their sight.
Yep.
So here-
They don't allow them.
No, they don't allow it in the States.
No,
So it's
everybody's
interesting.
worried about.
Yeah, so it was
Yeah,
interesting
yeah,
that they came with us because I was like, isn't your parents concerned?
Well, even to like. Hi.
Hey,
Come and have
hi,
you.
thank you.
Coffee beans.
Mm-hmm.
She will pound to remove the outer skin and remind me with these ones.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
Are you okay if we take any photos?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
You're free if you want to.
Participate?
Show that arm strength.
Yeah.
You want to try it?
Okay,
You want me to
try
try
it. I'll try. I'm definitely not as strong as you are.
Wow.
It's hard to aim. You would
Listen,
think.
It's a hard activity.
I got one bean. That's all I can do.
You see, it's already working.
Oh, you see it? It's out.
No.
You already got the bean out.
Yeah, only beans.
Mm-hmm.
After getting out the beans, she will roast.
So you can't crush the beans?
Yeah. Roast the beans.
You roast them, yeah.
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 Then pound again.
Let me try.
Yeah.
She's very strong.
I felt like she was stronger than me.
Yeah, is that kid okay? He's screaming. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
You can see it?
Yeah. Oh, it's awesome. Smell it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, nice and dark now.
Oh, looks like coffee.
I'm not gonna crush them now. I'm not wasting any.
Yeah.
The smell of coffee.
Aqui, Mara. Sai. Awe. Nako. Nako. Nakidolina kama. Nanka kaleta nanka yana. Rajavira na wikana wale batalo bokungu. Read.
Seriously, my impressions.
Oh wow. Powder. Fine.
Yeah.
Crazy.
And put it in an electric grinder.
I know.
Shake it down. Dang. That's awesome. It smells so good.
Yeah. You don't need to worry about water. It's bottled water and boiled.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Gambiro gwetu gwa maana muno. Ngombe gutiyina.
Peach and cream. Her shirt. Peach and cream.
Yeah, bra. Hizo Wahindia.
Jump in the gun.
Mm-hmm.
It's honest, you shouldn't have as much caffeine. Thank you. I'll take the big cup. She needs the small one.
Small one. Too much caffeine makes me jittery.
See?
Next to it, on the other branch, there is a hole. That's how they live. There is a baby inside. It's feeding the baby.
Baby birdie.
Yeah, the baby is there inside. You can see it's trying to feed. To give the baby food. And for them, marries one wife in its lifetime. If the wife dies, it have to live alone. Until it dies also.
Loyal.
And it lies in the tree, and the female bird enters the tree inside. The male closes the female inside and leaves the beak only outside.
Yeah.
For getting food. The female, the male keeps on coming, picking food, giving to the female, picking food, giving to the female. And it hatches at 3 months when the female is still inside. That's when it hatches.
Hell no.
After 3 months, it has to get out. Now the female is not around, maybe it's up. This is the male trying to feed the baby.
How do you know it's the male?
It has an axe-like beak. Yeah.
Okay.
And for the
he's more
yeah.
the breadwinner. Okay.
It's a bigger beak.
Now it cannot go away from there because we are here.
Okay.
If we are not here, it can go and get food. But once we are here, it has to keep there, looking no one to disturb the baby.
Good job, Dad.
Yeah.
They don't drink liquor. They
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
smoke. They don't do anything. Yeah, they're
Yeah.
better off for it, probably. Naturally smarter than you.
Lutaro. And the next group is there coming.
You see them?
Where we saw the first
I
lake.
haven't seen them yet.
Derek, what's that?
It's called the, I'm forgetting the name. And it has milk-like substance.
Medical?
Milk.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm forgetting the name.
We'll look it up.
When I remember it, I'll tell you.
I just haven't seen it yet.
This is the hibiscus.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You like hibiscus tea? Mind your head.
Hibiscus.
For being taller.
I was looking to see if the kids were following us.
Oh, geez, that's a lot.
Here avocados are very cheap.
Yeah.
You can
We're not
get-
used to that.
You can get 10 avocados at $1.
Not. Hippos really do seem nice.
Yeah. Makes sense. No, definitely not. I don't.